Hey, this is a quick little video to show you how to go into iTunes from your computer and find BlacksmitHER Radio in iTunes, the podcast, so you can subscribe and give a rate and review, hopefully. So I'm on my home screen and I'm just going to open iTunes from my computer. So this is my own iTunes library. I'm going to go up here to the iTunes store and open up a store. Thinking. Yes, here we are in iTunes. We're going to click on the podcasts option up here along the menu. And then we're going to search for BlacksmitHER Radio. Enter. Ta-da! Whoop whoop! Here we are. Okay, you can click on this icon, BlacksmitHER Radio, which will open up this fine page. This is how you subscribe, is go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here underneath the BlacksmitHER Radio icon. Are you sure you want to subscribe to BlacksmitHER Radio? Hells yes. There we go. We are subscribed. Now, this is how you do ratings and review. You come on over and click on the ratings and reviews tab. And if you would like to rate it, click any of these stars. 1, you hate it. 2, I don't like it. 3, it's okay. 4, it's good. And 5, ding, 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 it's great. Yes. Well, we click on 5. Thanks. Fantastic. And then you can write a review. Click on that. The title. This is fresh. And you go ahead and write your review. Say lots of good things like I love the podcast interviews of women blacksmiths. They are funny and entertaining. Oh, better spell women, right? And we'll put that up like that, and we'll hit submit. Okay, it's submitted. There's my first review. Go ahead and follow suit if you like it. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and keep on listening. Catch you later.